Lately, I've noticed several posts on social media from users of the Photos app for iOS or Mac that want to view their library without photos or videos that have already been placed into albums. By default, the Photos app will display all of your images in the main library view, whether they have been moved into an album or not. So let's move these 4 photos into this album called Chicago 2025. The images are now visible in the album and in the main library view. If you'd rather not see the images that have been moved into an album in the library view, we can use the Filter tool. Just click here up in the toolbar and select the Not in an Album option. That removes the 4 Chicago images from the library view. They are now only visible within the album. The filter will stay active until we turn it off or quit the app. To quickly turn the filter on and off, use the shortcut Option Command 6. Unfortunately, this filter will not apply to smart albums. We can do this in the iOS version of the Apple Photos app as well. Here on the iPhone, just head into the filter menu up here and Not in an Album. Since this library is syncing via iCloud, the Chicago images are removed because they are in an album, which can be found in the Collections view. So if you'd rather not have images displayed in both the main library view and albums, utilize the Not in Album filter in the Photos app for Mac or iOS. Learn much more about how to organize and edit your photos with our full tutorials on the Photos app for Mac, iPhone, and iPad at themacu.com. Thanks for watching.